Hello friends, welcome to Otica Meditronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use a fiber optic laryngoscope. This is the Otica fiber optic laryngoscope. We are going to unbox this device. This is widely used by the anesthesia and other emergency branches. This device is widely used for the intubation. So you can see this is the premium machine, and we can say this is wonderful. It comes with a 2-year warranty. You can see the handle quality, it's best and it's good. They have provided LED here. As this is the fiber optic, there is no LED on the blades, so you can wash, you can autoclave this blade, and you can also clean the handle. They have provided LED here. This device comes with a 4 blade, 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers. This is a German stainless steel and it is coated with a very good material. You just need to put it inside of this and you can see the device will get switch on. So this is the fiber optic. There is no LED here. There is one fiber cable. It comes from this. This is the source. We can say this is the light source, and light source will reflect the power and it will come to here. We will just switch off the main light so you will understand how much powerful light it is. You can see this is the light. You can see you can insert the cannula or you can intubate the patient in a proper manner. You can see everything inside. So this is the fiber optic, detachable and reusable. So this is how an Otica fiber optic laryngoscope is. It comes with a very good quality of case, so you can keep the device in a proper manner. Thank you.